The Audi climate control system has separate temperature zones for driver and passenger comfort. Toggling the temperature button up or down activates the controls. For ease of operation, set a desired temperature and then select Auto. All airflow, fan speed, and temperature adjustments will be made automatically. Manually changing any settings will take the system out of auto mode. When the fan is on, airflow can be directed to a combination of foot, panel, and defrost vents by pressing the associated buttons. Each of the front comfort zones can be set to different temperatures. Maximizing the temperatures to either low or high settings will cause the system to run continuously at maximum cooling or heating power with no automatic temperature adjustments. Pressing the sync button will synchronize the driver and front passenger zones to the driver's settings. When the AC is on, an indicator will appear in the LCD panel. AC only functions with the fan on. Air recirculation can be activated automatically or manually. Press the recirculation button repeatedly until the LED above the letter M illuminates. The outside air intake will close, and interior air will be filtered and recirculated until it is turned off. In auto mode, recirculation will occur automatically based on air quality sensors and outside temperature. Use Defrost Max to clear the windshield and side windows of frost or condensation with maximum airflow from the upper vents. The temperature should be set to 72 degrees or higher. Recirculation will be disabled and the air conditioning may switch on. Press the Auto button to turn the defroster off. Rear defrost activates the electric heating element in the rear window. The engine must be running. Rear defrost will turn off after 10 to 20 minutes depending on outside temperature. Seat heating on the driver and front passenger seats can be adjusted to one of 3 settings, or off when no lights are illuminated. Press the off button to turn the climate control system off. To switch the system back on, press any climate control button.